Alternative investment. What is that exactly? There is no fixed definition for alternative asset classes, but it is usually understood to be a collective term for all investment opportunities outside of traditional assets. Traditional assets are something like shares, bonds, or fixed interest securities. The two best known groups of alternative asset classes are hedge funds and private equity funds. They are mainly characterized by the fact that you need a lot of money to invest in them. They are very illiquid, but generally only accessible to professional investors. Other possible alternative asset classes are investments in forests or infrastructure, or in collectibles such as watches or special historical objects. Artwork could also be included in the alternative asset category. The advantages of investing in these asset classes are that at least high returns are promised here. Whether they are achieved is still another matter, but they can be used for diversification of your portfolio because they ideally have a low correlation with traditional asset classes. That is to say, they do not fluctuate in value the same way as shares would do. The disadvantages of these asset classes are that it's difficult to access the market. You have to be particularly knowledgeable in this area. You have to bring a lot of money to get started, and they're usually relatively illiquid. So you can't just sell it overnight via the stock market. Depending on what type of investment we're talking about, there may also be significantly higher risks involved. Maybe you can answer the question for us.